What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download videos that you have generated using the Klap app. So once you're inside the Klap AI application, guys, just simply open up any project that you've had generated, and let me go ahead and take this one as an example. And in order to download the video, you want to look to the lower right hand side of each video, and you will see a publish button, a download button, and an edit button. Go ahead and choose download button. Once you click on download, you'll be able to download those videos. Keep in mind that you need to have one of those you need to have one of those plans in order to download those videos. So you want to go ahead and click on upgrade, and you will find, once you register, guys, you can use this application for free for 3 days. So all you have to do is just enter your credit card details. You won't be charged because you have a 3-day trial that you can easily use. So you want to go ahead and ensure that you get those plans. So just simply go ahead and select the plan that you desire to use. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and enter your card details or your PayPal details so you can start your free trial. As you can see, it didn't say to pay, it says start your trial. And as you can see right here, it shows you the total, and it shows you that you can use it for absolute free. So after the 3 days, you will be charged. So that's it, guys. That's how you can go ahead and download videos. You can generate your videos. So if you have any long form videos that you want to turn into short form videos, depending on the length of the video, it will generate multiple videos for you. And as you can see here in my example, from a 6-minute video, it has generated 12 videos for me. How cool is that? It's a really amazing AI website that allows you to turn your long form content into short form videos so that you can post them on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is that you want those videos to use for. You can repurpose those long form videos into short form videos with ease. Find the link in the description of this video and you can get started right away.